Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video, we'll be solving a problem from exercise 11.2. We'll be constructing a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeters and we'll be measuring its length. So when you mean by concentric circle, that means there are two circles sharing the same center. So we'll have to first draw a circle having radius 4 centimeters and then draw another circle, a concentric circle having radius extended to 6 centimeters. Okay, so uh, 6 centimeters from the center, and once we do that, then we'll have to draw another circle this way, and from here we'll have our tangents. Okay, this is just a rough diagram. Let's begin first by constructing a circle of radius 4 centimeters. That's 4 centimeters. I've drawn a circle of 4 centimeters. Then I need to construct another circle 6 centimeters sharing the same center. Okay, so draw the concentric circle. Okay, that's our concentric circle. There you go. And now we'll mark the center. This is center O. Okay, and I'll just draw a line over here. Okay, so from here to here is 4 centimeters, but from here to here is 6. Next, we need to construct a perpendicular bisector. So that would be from we'll have to take some length that is more than half of this length, that is more than half of. Okay. And one from here. Okay. And here. That's our perpendicular bisector. Mark the points where the two arcs have intersected, and now I will connect them together this way. We mark this point over here. This will become our new center. We'll mark this as M. Here this will mark as P. Now we'll take that M as our new center to draw another circle. Keep the pointer here. Into this will, so PM or OM will become our new radius with M as the center. Another circle, I mean, the triangle. Okay, so now a new circle has been constructed. Now see the point where these two circles intersect. We'll mark this point because from here we'll have to draw the tangents to P. Okay, I'll name this as R and this is Q. I'll connect P to R here, and P to Q. So PR and PQ are our new tangents. Next, we need to measure the tangents because that's what we are asked. Let's check what is the length of PR and PQ. Both should be the same. Let's check. PR is 4.5 and PQ is also 4.5. So can put over here as PR equal to PQ equal to 4.5 centimeters. Okay, so remember this entire length OP was 6 centimeters. Then this length from here to here, that is for this circle, the radius of that circle was 4 centimeters, and the tangents which are drawn are actually to this circle, the first circle that we had constructed. And we can find this mathematically if we draw like for example from here you go, this will be a triangle, and this triangle, as we know, is formed inside a semicircle. So that means this particular angle will be 90 degrees and PO will become the hypotenuse. So OP, by Pythagoras theorem, it will be OP square plus equal to PR square plus OR square. Okay, and we know OP is how much? 6. So 6 square, and we need to find out PR mathematically, so we'll keep PR square this way, and OR is the radius, which we know is 4 centimeters. So 4 square means PR square will become 6 square minus 4 square. So in other words, PR square will be equal to 36 minus 16, and PR square will be 20. So PR will be square root of 20, which comes to around 4.7 something, which is equivalent to 4.47, which is equivalent to 4.5, which is what we have got by measurement as well. So you see, this is how we draw concentric circles and tangents to the concentric circles. Okay, so if you like watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.